Ready to access the Federal Procurement Data System, FPDS, and manage your procurement activities? Dive into this step-by-step tutorial for an easy guide on logging in to www.fpds.gov. Whether you're a government contractor, procurement officer, or federal agency personnel, FPDS has you covered. Let's get started. Before we begin, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you. First, open your browser and enter www.fpds.gov into the address bar to access the website. Click on the Login button in the left menu of the opened website. The button will redirect you to the login.gov login panel. Here, you'll log in using your login.gov account. Enter your email address here. Then type your password below and click on the Sign In button. Don't forget to support our channel by liking this video, leaving a comment with your feedback, and subscribing for more informative tutorials like this one. Your engagement fuels our commitment to providing valuable content. Questions or need further assistance? Drop us a comment below and our team will be happy to assist you. Thank you for choosing Login Page as your trusted resource for all things www.fpds.gov login.